Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut up and trim some awesome Carrara Wagyu beef cheeks. What I've got here is how they're packaged. They come in 4 per bag. Let's get into this and show you how to trim up these awesome looking beef cheeks. You can already see there's already marbling in the cheek of the Wagyu. That's pretty cool. So on the outside here, you can see it's got all this gristle. So you want to take all of this off before you cook them. So what you do, you can just start in the middle, put your knife under, and remember, don't go into the meat, go up. Follow it through. So just slowly go along, and then back the other way, and just slowly peel it off. Down there. And just slowly peel this gristle off, because you don't want to cook this gristle in. It's pretty uneatable. And here you'll see another piece. So just cut into it. You can see, come down, turn it off, and then you got a little bit here. Down. Oh wow! Just see all the marbling in there. That's pretty cool. Straighten it up. Here's a little bit of bits on the edge. Take that off. We'll swing it on the other side, and then you've got the same again here. You can see that's come off there. So again, just slowly take it off. This is one of the best dishes to use for tacos. And once you've done that, should be all ready to go. This is the last big piece of gristle here. It needs to come off. You got that. And again, the same one here. You just repeat that the same cycle again. But yeah, there you go. It's one with silver skin off, one without. Hope you really enjoyed that really cool video. Looking forward to eating these Carrara Wagyu beef cheeks for dinner. Catch up in the next video.